Alright boys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to unveil the new purchase. We're back here at the auction, just picking her up. Hopefully we got a good deal, right? Hopefully this thing runs and drives, because we bought it sight unseen. Even though it was in Suffolk, I pretty much took a gamble on it. So we're gonna see if this thing drives off, guys. Here goes a nice CLA Mercedes that I'm trying to bid on this week. We'll see if we can pick this up. It's a theft recovery, no damage to it. Pretty sweet vehicle. Really not even supposed to go look at them right now, but you know, been a member for so long that they don't really mind. Yikes, they keyed it up everywhere. It's the orange edition. Wow, with the orange lips and that. Ouch, look at what they did to the look at what they did to the stripes. They ruined the seats. Yikes, that really sucks. But that's a good fix right there, huh? No damage, just bodywork, paint, and some leather repair. I would probably, let's see if they did that to the back seats. Yes, they did. Look at that. Somebody was mad. Look at that. Wow. Wow, they ripped it with something bad. But yeah, man, I don't know what this guy's beeping at. But here goes our truck right there. Ah, there goes our truck right there. So maybe we don't even need it forked. I can drive it off. That's the one I'm picking up, so hopefully I can drive it off. I told him not to fork it, but we'll see if it starts. All right, boys, let's get in it. Let's see what in the world we got a bad axle. We ain't driving her nowhere. Yep, we got a bad axle. What else do we have? Anything? Nothing else, right? Okay. What about the front? Right front is fine, but the left front, I guess, took the impact. The left front took the impact. I don't see any other damage other than a bad axle. Yeah. All right, let's see if this thing starts up at least. Battery's dead, obviously. Oh yeah, she's dead. Let's pop the hood. All right, so we'll look under here, and under here we don't see any major damage other than a bad axle. Where did it get hit? I don't see it. Okay, well, I think we're going to conclude this video right here, guys, and probably make another video once we figure out what's going on. But as you see it right now, we're going to try to jump it, and we'll go from there. Check in on the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Find us on Instagram at Restoration Garage. Take care now. Bye-bye.